Before ohming out the compressor, make sure we power off the unit and give it at least a couple minutes to discharge the capacitors on the boards. So to test the compressor, here's the Molex plug. You just find it by following it from the compressor. And we're gonna open that there. And now we're gonna ohm out each winding. So we're gonna go from there to that one, and from there to that one, and then these two together. And you should be reading anywhere between anything below 2 ohms, and you're good. Now once you've ohmed out all the windings, the next thing to do is we're going to ohm each winding to ground. We're going to come in here, hit this winding, go to copper, and we should read 0. OL. Shouldn't have any continuity to ground at all. If you do, got a shorted compressor. You can do that for all 3. Well, that is how you test the compressor. If you do read something on here, if you're getting a weird resistance value between the windings or from the winding to ground, go ahead and come back in here and take this cap off and get to the top of the compressor and take the wires off and ohm straight from the compressor to the windings and to ground. That way we can eliminate if it's a wire issue or not. Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.